Our health series continues today, and we're looking at a variety of topics to help people feel better about themselves, both physically and emotionally. And today we're exploring snacking and how it can be done a little bit more healthy. Today we're joined by registered dietitian Diana Steele, who you all know very well. Diana, thanks so much for coming back.
Thank you very much for having me.
All right, these snacks all look delicious, so colorful here. What do we want to keep in mind and have in our snack to make sure it's well-rounded?
Yeah, so I always find that a snack is sort of that opportunity to maintain stable blood sugars throughout the day. So you should have something that's going to anchor that energy. So including a source of protein and then something to fill you up like fiber can really make that snack last a little bit longer. So I have an example of that. If you use a whole grain cracker with peanut butter and banana, you've got the fiber in the cracker, the peanut butter is giving you some protein, and I always think that every time you eat, you should have a fruit or a vegetable. So having some banana on there can add some extra nutrition.
And give you that boost to take you to your next meal.
Exactly.
Okay. And then what do we have over here?
Yeah, so definitely the other really important component of snacking is that it should provide you with nutrients, and maybe nutrients that you're not always getting in all of your meals. So if you don't get enough calcium, you could maybe have some Greek yogurt, or if you're not getting enough fruits and vegetables, which is the #1 food group we don't get enough of, then you should definitely have a fruit or a vegetable. So here I've got a Greek yogurt with stewed strawberries. So this is just using frozen strawberries and adding in a tiny bit of water and then cooking it on the stove and mashing it with a potato masher.
That's
it took me 5 minutes.
Okay.
But you can keep this in the fridge and then use it as a fruit topping. And having California strawberries fresh at this time of year might be a little bit more expensive, but frozen strawberries are available all year round. So they're economical, they're convenient, they're tasty. And when you buy a fresh strawberry, frozen strawberries, when they are picked, they're picked at their peak, and then they're flash frozen, so all their nutrients are locked in. So that can be a really great way to have some more fruit. Then, of course, the third most important part of having a snack is to help control appetite and manage cravings. And if you wait too long to eat, then you get over hungry, so you might eat too much at your meal. But the other thing is sometimes we just do have a craving, and if you're having a craving for chocolate...
Yeah, what's funny is I love seeing that you're showing us this nut mix here with dark chocolate mixed in, because I've been doing this myself, because you have your sweet craving every once in a while, but this is a good way of also getting filled up a little bit.
Well, exactly. So in this mixture, we've got the Chiquito snaps, and these are just one individual square, so nice individually portioned, so you can just break them up or snap them, and they and it's a dark 85% dark chocolate, and having it with nuts and so there's fiber and protein, you're getting still some of the benefit that you were having before, and the snack's going to last you a little bit longer. Or you could just pair the dark chocolate with your fresh berries, and this dark chocolate has lots of antioxidants, but the higher the cocoa, so this is 85%, the more antioxidants and nutrients you're getting from it.
And this one is a low sugar content, you're saying, right?
Exactly. There's only 2 grams of sugar and no artificial sweeteners, and it's the type of bean that they used to make the chocolate that is a little bit sweeter by taste, so when you taste it later, you'll know that it doesn't need sugar, and it's got a really, really nice taste.
All right, and lastly, just a good example of having some veggies and protein.
Yeah, so great example of that, but also to remind yourself that in order to snack well, you kind of need to do a couple things in advance. So if you can have some maybe cut up veggies in your fridge just to be ready to go and grab, or you can roast some chickpeas. And this is an easy thing to keep in your fridge also to have as a snack that's ready to go.
Fantastic.
So plan ahead, do a little bit of food prep, and then try and change it up so that you're excited about snacking.
Lovely. I'm going to use all these ideas. Thank you so much.